Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to learn how to talk about people's personalities. As always, we will begin with a model dialogue. And in this dialogue, two people are talking about Lisa and John's personalities. Afterwards, we will explain all the expressions in detail. What's Lisa like? Lisa's very outgoing. What's John like? John's a little shy. Okay, first to ask about someone's personality, we can ask, what's Lisa like? What's Lisa like? We can use what's blank like to ask for more information about the noun in the blank. So if a friend watched the new Batman movie and we want to know how the movie was, we can ask, what's the new Batman movie like? What's the new Batman movie like? And we use this question to ask for more information about the new Batman movie. Therefore, when we ask about people's personalities, we often use this question format. Here are a few more example questions. What's Tom like? What's Sam like? What's the new student like? Okay, so let's practice asking these questions. What's Lisa like? What's Tom like? What's Sam like? What's the new student like? That was great, well done. Let's now take a look at how we can describe someone's personality. Lisa's very outgoing. Lisa's very outgoing. A simple way of describing someone's personality is to use the subject, the be verb, and an adjective structure. So we could say, Lisa is outgoing, or use the contraction and say, Lisa's outgoing. However, when we describe people's personalities, we often use various adverbs to express stronger or weaker meaning of the adjective. And one of the most common adverbs we use is very. Very helps to emphasize a stronger meaning of the adjective. So Lisa is not just average outgoing, but very outgoing. Outgoing means someone is active, friendly, and likes to meet other people. And we use outgoing to describe someone's personality in a positive way. We have a resource sheet with a comprehensive list of adjectives to describe people's personalities. So please download this from the resources section. Let's take a look at a few more example sentences. Lisa's very chatty. Lisa's very funny. Lisa's very kind. Okay, so let's do a speaking practice of these sentences. Lisa's very outgoing. Lisa's very chatty. Lisa's very funny. Lisa's very kind. That was great, well done. Let's take a look at another way of describing someone's personality. John's a little shy. John's a little shy. A little is another common adverb in English, and we use a little to express weaker meaning of the adjective. And in this sentence, the adjective is shy. We use the adjective shy to say that someone is nervous or embarrassed to be with other people. Here are a few other example sentences that use negative meaning adjectives. John's a little lazy. John's a little selfish. John's a little rude. Okay, so let's do a speaking practice of these sentences. John's a little shy. John's a little lazy. John's a little selfish. John's a little rude. That was great, well done. Now, before we do the final practice, let's listen to the dialogue again. What's Lisa like? Lisa's very outgoing. What's John like? John's a little shy. Okay, so let's practice this dialogue. We will do 2 speaking practices so that you can practice both roles. All the lines will be on the screen, so when it's your turn, please read the line and participate in the dialogue. What's Lisa like? John's a little shy. Lisa's very outgoing. What's John like? Excellent job today, well done. Okay, so in this lesson, we learn how to ask about people's personalities and how to describe personalities using 2 different adverbs. The next lesson is a speaking drill lesson, so do make sure to take that lesson for more speaking practice. See you soon again. Bye bye.